Have you wondered how to make sales faster without a huge following? Does it seem nearly impossible to grow on social media? You're not alone. If you have a low follow count, you can absolutely make a lot of money on Instagram. In fact, you can make thousands of dollars with under 500 followers. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly what that looks like. My name is Libby Rothschild. I'm the founder of Dietitian Boss. I created a proprietary process that shows registered dietitians step-by-step how to start and grow a virtual private practice so that you can live a life of freedom and flexibility. You can make money on Instagram without followers by leveraging direct messaging. Now, if you don't know about direct messaging, it's a feature where you can message other people and you can send video files, audio files, and text to build a relationship and communicate and connect with people on a very intimate, personal level. Now, keep in mind that the power of using social media, Instagram to be specific, is unmatched. You do not need a huge following to make a lot of money, but you do need to connect with people, and the right kind of people for your business. Assuming that you already use Instagram already, even on a personal level, you might already know that it goes down in the DMs, meaning direct messaging is definitely a feature for you to use. There are numerous benefits with using the direct messaging feature, including establishing industry connections, right? So you can find people you wouldn't otherwise be able to connect with and just start messaging them and building rapport and developing relationships. Lead generation, so you can get people to come to you, right? And you can find people and have them learn about your products and services and fill up your pipeline. And if you're looking to scale your business, you're probably going to need more leads. Sales, which is my favorite. So you can use social media to listen. What are people saying? And how can you prospect on social? How can you use social as a tool to prospect? Find potential customers who would be a good fit for your business and develop rapport with them, and then get them to fill your pipeline, and then use Instagram specifically as an opportunity for you to find qualified leads. Learn about your ideal client. You have a fantastic opportunity using Instagram to find out what your ideal client wants. What are their hopes and dreams? What are their biggest pains and frustrations? So if you're in the healthcare space, maybe you're a dietitian like many of our clients, and you're helping people lose weight, and you're doing so through portion control or the ketogenic dietary pattern. So you go into related hashtags and you're going to find out what are the problems that people are having? What are the words that they're using? What are the conversations that they're saying? And you can look at themes and learn about your ideal client, assuming that you know who you're targeting, and assuming that you do already have a strategy and you're clear with who your ideal client is and what their big pains are. And then you can just connect what their frustrations are with what you see online to validate that the conversations people are having are in fact related to your ideal client. Enhancing client relationships can be done through direct messaging. So you can prevent transactional relationships with clients by checking in on them, supporting them, engaging with their stories, and making time and effort to stay top of mind by leveraging direct messaging. Networking. So you might have a criteria of somebody specific in mind that you're looking for. Maybe you love networking with other CEOs who have a brick and mortar practice, and maybe they specifically are also in the same space. Maybe they also run group practices for, let's say, mental health, and maybe they also specialize in, mental health related to marriage counseling. So if you want to network with other operators who run brick and mortar practices in the mental health care space that do family and marriage counseling, you can find them using specific hashtags and start engaging, building rapport, and having conversations with people leveraging Instagram. Now, my favorite, I save for last, is connecting and building the know, like, and trust factor. And you can do that through your content strategy. And it's as simple as just showing your face. So showing up on stories, showing up on your actual content, right? Whether you're using reels or posts or any kind of combination, carousels, and you are putting yourself out there. Because the easiest way to stand out online, where there's so much competition, is to show your face, right? Because nobody else looks exactly like you. And the more you can show up, you're actually building rapport. And the more you can leverage video, even better. Another way to make money on Instagram without having any followers is leveraging affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can earn money without the setup. And if that sounds too good to be true, I mean it. It's actually, a lot of people make really good money this way. Now, some people are only using affiliate marketing, where other people can incorporate affiliate marketing in their strategy. Now, I did this when I first started, and I didn't do it for a very long time, but I didn't have an offer, right? And so what I did is I was an affiliate for a course. And that got me thousands of dollars within my first month on Instagram, and I had under 500 followers at the time. So I was able to help somebody else sell a course about food and nutrition. It was actually about using social media and for food professionals, right, for foodies. And so because I am a dietitian, I was able to get in there and I found some relation and some connection with that topic, and I was able to serve as an affiliate for that course. I got that opportunity through direct messaging and just connecting with people who are in my industry, the industry of nutrition. And so again, that's a great way, as I mentioned earlier, you're connecting, you're networking, you're building rapport, and that can often lead to revenue opportunities. Now, I got paid without even having an offer. I didn't have a niche. All right, I had been on social media for under 30 days, and I just had an opportunity after connecting with people in the similar space. I had an opportunity to make money, and I didn't have to do any of this setup, and it wasn't permanent. I did it for a while, and then I stopped and I created my own offer and products and services. Well, if you're looking to make money on Instagram without any followers, you're definitely going to need to prepare your link in the bio. Your bio on Instagram is a very important space, and it's often overlooked by you when you're looking to set up your profile and attract the right type of client. Now, you want to use the call to action. You want to use an opportunity in your bio to use a call to action that's specifically going to direct somebody to do something. And I see so many bios on Instagram that don't leverage using a call to action. And unfortunately, the followers of that account or interested prospective clients are going to skip over and not know what to do. So remember, as a business owner, as the leader, you have to be clear in telling people what to do. Like, buy my course, apply for coaching, etc. So you have to be clear in your bio with what you need the person to do next so that they can achieve or receive the services or product that you deliver. If you don't have a product and you don't want to promote sales, you can also build your email list, right? Leveraging social media, Instagram specifically, is a fantastic way to build your email list. And your goal can change, right? You might want to build your email list now, and you might want to promote your sales later. And as I said, when I first started, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing, which landed me thousands of dollars without me even having my own offer. Just keep in mind that you can change. Your decision is not set in stone. You might want to build your email list now, and then next quarter, your decision and your strategy might change. But what you do want to do is make sure you are using that call to action in your bio, and you're being really clear with telling people what to do. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I want you to check out my next video, where I talk about using Instagram to make reels. Now, if you're not already using Reels, Reels are a fantastic strategy in leveraging short form video, meaning video from anywhere from 5 seconds to 60 seconds, is one of the most popular trends right now in online marketing. So you want to make sure that you're getting ahead of those trends so that you can attract more clients.